Combining text and image can make or break a design. The wrong font or image can send confusing messages, and if the text is too small, the background too busy, or it's just hard to read, your design won't be effective or visually appealing. Let's show you how to successfully combine your images and text in Canva. Let's add an image to your design. Go to the Uploads tab here and click Upload Media. You can also drag and drop your files from your computer directly into the editor. Or you can choose from over 1 million high-quality stock images in Canva's image library. Find them by clicking the photos in the Object panel. Type in keywords to narrow your search. Remember, you can add images to a frame. Find frames in the Elements tab here. To detach an image from a frame, right-click on it and select Detach Image. Go to the Object panel and click Text. Then choose Heading, Subheading, or a little bit of body text. There are also pre-made font combinations to choose from here. A text box will be added to the design. Type in the text you want to add. Use the toolbar above the editor to change font, size, color, and spacing. These tools will help with text hierarchy, indicating what to read first and what next. Typically, the largest or brightest text is the most attention-grabbing. In the text toolbar, you'll notice the Effects option. Text effects add more personality to designs and help improve readability. Adding the shadow or lift effect will make the text more noticeable and easier to read if placed in front of an image. Adjust the effect's parameters by dragging the intensity slider. If you want to move a set of text blocks, group them so they stay in the same order and shape. Select multiple elements by clicking and dragging the cursor over them, or hold Shift on your keyboard and click each of them. In the toolbar above, click Group. You can also use shortcuts on your keyboard. To ungroup, select the group and click Ungroup from the toolbar. When you place a new element in your design, it will show up above the existing ones. That's because elements are in layers. Front layers appear on top of back layers. To move an image behind text, select the image and click Position in the toolbar here. Click forward to move it up, or backward to move it down. Layering works for elements, text boxes, images, and videos. Creating space for text where it is easy to see and read is essential. Move images up, down, or to the side so there is enough free space for the text. Remember, the text size, font, and color play a crucial role in the message. Or use an image as the background for text. Make sure there is space in the image for the text to stand out. What if the image is not suitable to place text on top? It's too busy or it has too many competing colors. Try decreasing the image opacity by clicking Transparency on the toolbar here. Make it more interesting by changing the background color. Click on the page, then click on the rainbow color tile here and select a color. You can also add image adjustments, filters, and effects. Select the image and click Adjust from the toolbar. Click and drag sliders left or right on each setting to adjust levels. For example, you could blur the background image or tone down the brightness to make the typography pop. Alternatively, you could give the text its own background. A single color element like a rectangle sitting behind the text and in front of the image will create a visible distinction. Colors play a vital role in design. They grab attention, create visual hierarchy, express emotions and values, and enhance the overall look of your design. That is why choosing the correct color palette is essential to achieve harmony between images and other elements. Canva's Color Palette Predictor creates a color scheme perfectly matched to an image, helping achieve visual balance. Click on an element or text. A colored tile will appear in the toolbar. Find photo colors on the side panel, and you'll see a color palette is generated from the image. If there are multiple pictures in the design, click See More to load all the generated color palettes. Click on the color you want to use. Change the color of all elements of the same color by clicking the Change All button here. These simple steps mean your text and image work together rather than fighting for the viewer's attention.